Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question. It says solve for x in log 8 base x minus log 16 base x to the power of 2 equals to 1. So we are going to solve for the value of x from that equation. We are given log 8 base x minus log 16 base x to the power of 2 equals to 1. When we have an equation like this, what we need to do is for us to check the base of this logarithm. So the base of this logarithm is base x and base x to the power of 2. So the leading base of this equation is base x. So what we are going to do is for us to apply change of base format. So this will become, okay, we recall, say note, when we have log a all over log b is same thing as log a base b. In this case, the base of these two is in base 10. So here is same thing as having log a base 10 all over log b base 10, which is the same thing as log base 10 log a all over log b base 10. This one and this one, they are all the same. But in this equation, our base here is x. So this will give us log 8 base x minus log 16 base x all over log x to the power of 2 base x, all equals to 1. So if you can look at it, this is the same thing as this. Either this one or this one is still the same thing. So here we can see that this can be written as log 8 base x minus log 16 here can be written as 4 to the power of 2 base x all over log x to the power of 2 base x, all equals to 1. We recall another law that says, say note, when we have log a to the power of x is same thing as x log a. So expressing the numerator and the denominator as this will give us log 8 base x minus 2 log 4 base x all over 2 log x base x equals to 1. So here you can see that 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. We are now left with, we need to clear this. So here our value will remain log 8 base x minus this remain log 4 base x all over log x base x equals to 1. So this 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 and 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. So this will give us log 2 to the power of 3 base x minus log 2 to the power of 2 base x all over log x base x equals to 1. The same that law that says when we have log a to the power of x is same thing as x log a. So expressing each of these in that format, we have 3 log 2 base x minus 2 log 2 base x all over log x base x equals to 1. So here we can look at this. Log x base x is same thing as 1. We recall when we have log a base a is same thing as 1. That is another law of logarithm. So in this case, this can be written as 3 log 2 base x minus 2 log 2 base x all over 1 equals to 1. So here we can see that we have log 2 base x and we also have log 2 base x. So we'll say let log 2 base x equals to m. So this is the value of our log 2 base x. So we are going to substitute the value of m in the place of log 2 base x. So in that case, we need to come over to this other side so that we find the value of our solution. So here, as we said, this is going to give us 3 because we have log2 base x here, we are going to put m minus, we have here 2. Here we have log2 base x. We put another m. This is all over 1. All over 1 equals to 1. So here is something as 3m minus 2m, because 2m all over 1 is 2m, equals to 1. 3m minus 2m will give us m equals to 1. So we have the value of m as 1. So we recall that we set our value of m when we have log2 base x equals to m. In this case, our m equals to 1. So what we write is log2 base x equals to 1. We recall another law that says when we have log a base b equals to x, therefore this can be written as b to the power of x equals to a. This is a law. So we are going to express this in this format. So this will give us x to the power of 1 equals to 2. X to the power of 1 equals to x. So therefore, our x equals to 2. So this is the value of x that we have, and it satisfies that equation. But we can do a little check for us to see whether that value of x equals to 2 satisfies that equation. So we say check when we have log 8 base x minus log 16 base x to the power of 2 equals to 1 at x equals to 2. This is the value of x that we have. So now this will become log 8 base 2. We put in the place of x, we put 2 minus log 16 base 2 to the power of 2 equals to 1. So here will become log 8. This 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 base 2 minus log. This 16 can be written as 4 to the power of 2. And here 2 to the power of 2 is same thing as 4 equals to 1. So in this case, we can see that this, applying this rule as we written here, log a to the power of x equals to x log a. So this will become 3 log 2 base 2 minus this will become 2 log 4 base 4 equals to 1. Will this equals to 1 when we evaluate this? We recall, as we said before, when we have log a base a is same thing as 1. So applying this rule to this expression or to this equation, we are going to have 3 log 2 base 2 equals to 1. 3 times 1 minus, we have a 2, we have log 4 base 4 will become 1. Will this equals to 1? So in this case, we can see that 3 times 1 is 3 minus 2 times 2 is 2. Will this equals to 1? We all know that 3 minus 2 equals to 1, and this other side equals to 1. And you can see that what we have here equals to what we have here. Therefore, x equals to 2 satisfy this equation. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.